Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy chocolate chip muffins. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we prepare the muffin cases as you see here. How hard can that be? What do you mean it's so simple even a Welshman could do it? That's not very nice. Anyway, on with the cooking. Next we combine all the dry ingredients in a suitably sized bowl. And for the record, those ingredients are self-raising flour, bicarbonate of soda, chocolate chips and golden caster sugar. When all the dry ingredients are mixed together, it's on with the wet ingredients. And to do this, in a clean bowl, beat both the eggs. And when this is done, mix in the natural yoghurt. After the natural yoghurt, it's time to combine in the melted butter. And when all the wet ingredients are combined thoroughly, it's time to add them to the dry ingredients and mix in. Apparently you don't want to overwork this mixture. Just mix it until you see something that resembles what I've got here, or what my wife's got here. Then place equal amounts of the mixture into the muffin cases. It never ceases to amaze me when my wife instinctively knows how much mixture to put in each case so all 12 are used up. Or in this case, instinctively uses up the 11 cases. I'm sure she did that on purpose. Anyway, when this is done, it's off to 180 degrees C preheated oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, there you have it. Easy chocolate chip muffins. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now.